Hey guys, now I'm in Changsha City and today I'm going to visit the Xiaomi offline store because I will have the Xiaomi 15 Ultra new flagship model video for you. And now I arrived to the offline store and here is today's highlight, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and this time there are three colors and I choose the green one. And it's a 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM edition. And this time for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and this is a 3nm producing technology processor. And screen is 6.73 inch. Screen to display ratio is 89.7%. And this time the Xiaomi provides the Shared Glass 2.0 protection for this screen, and also the resolution is 1440 3200 pixels. And this time for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, it uses the quad camera rear camera system, 50MP wide angle, 50MP telephoto, and 200MP periscope telephoto, and 50MP ultra wide. And also it provides a 32MP front camera. And also this time the walkway is like to provide a super powerful camera solution, hold EIS and 4K video recording, and HDR panorama. And for this device, it provides a 6000 mAh battery with 80W wireless fast charging and 90W wide cable fast charging and 10W reverse wireless charging. As we can see, though, it's a big battery and 1-inch image film camera lens. Also controls the dimension of the device to 161.3, 35.3, and 9.4mm, and weight just 2 to 6 grams. And also for the device support IP68 dust tight and water resistance. And also we can check other colors to provide white, black, and personally I like the green color. And also as we can see, to provide the photograph kit, so you can use this as a single lens camera. So we have very simple shooting test. Yes, it can show the reviewed and details of the screen, and yes, the details we can find it. And also for the screen, support 120Hz refresh rate, HDR reviewed, and a TPO AMOLED and HDR 10+. The peak brightness reached to 3200 nit. Besides, the camera is also support a stereo speaker. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra connected with Leica to provide pinnacle photography. It's a next generation Leica quad camera system, and also is powered by the Xiaomi HyperOS and Hyper AI. So this can be one of the best camera phone in the market you can buy. It can provide the master of light and shadow, even night scenes are stunning. Okay, so this is a very quick hands-on video of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let's stay tuned waiting for more gadget from here. Bye bye.